Hello everyone, this is Rick with Arizona Urban Farms. We're hanging out today in Scottsdale, Arizona, 85254 at our local urban farm. Today this message is about microclimates. The temperature is heating up. These tomatoes very shortly will need shade and screen, and we'll provide it for them. But this video is really more about the microclimates that you see here. This is a shadow from our peach tree that is doing really good. It's got a bunch of peaches on there, and right now it's midday. It's the heat of the day. Well, not the heat of the day. For us, that's between 3 and 4 o'clock. It's about 1:30, but we're approaching the heat of the day. And what's going to happen is, as this sun rotates, it's going to bring shade to these different tomatoes that we have. Now we're going to put up a canopy as well, a shade for these to create a more of a filtered sun, because they'll need it, and they're going to get really, really thirsty as we head into summer. But we have a bunch of things here that we're allowing to go to seed. We've got this arugula here, right there. That's arugula. We've got flowers. We've got other onions. All of those onions are going to go to seed here shortly, as you'll see. Here, let's look at this. These are going to seed right now, just starting the process. And we're going to harvest those. But this is our potatoes and onions bed. Look at there, we got potatoes coming up there. We got potatoes coming up there. Right here in my shadow behind me. This is really turning out to be a nice bed. And we've been working on this soil. We came through yesterday, and I laid down mushroom compost, steer manure, and some Kellogg's potting soil, and some raised bed mixture, and added it to this, amended around all of the trees. You can see right there that I've dug all that up. Over here's another great example. Went around the trees, all of the grapes, after amending the soil with that steer manure and that mushroom compost, does wonders. Here, I'll show you.